Hello, I'm Dr. Janine. I am making some fantastic ginger molasses cookies today. They are gluten-free, they are dairy-free, and they are absolutely delicious. I make them lower carb because I'm using a low-carb sweetener, but you are absolutely going to love these. So let's get started. First, we are starting with a medium-sized bowl, and I'm gonna mix in 1 egg and a little bit of water and some chia seeds for some fiber. And I'm mixing this up and I'm going to set this aside. So setting this aside for later. So now I'm putting together our dry ingredients for our cookies. I have some gluten-free flour, and you can really use any flour that you desire, but these are gluten-free. Now I also have some low-carb sweetener, so this is monk fruit, and I'm adding this in. And I have some vanilla protein powder. This is a whey protein powder, but you could do a vegetarian one. It's completely your choice. This is from our great sponsors at Vitatree. And some ginger powder, some cinnamon, a little bit of salt and pepper. We have some baking soda and some baking powder. And now to add some extra antioxidants, we are adding 4 capsules of the turmeric into our mixture. And the great thing about this is that the kids won't even know that it's in there, but you're adding in that medicinal ingredient, which is so good for inflammation. It's great for the skin. It's great for colds and flus. Adding that into our cookies and also gives it that nice spicy flavor. And some pumpkin pie spice. And now incorporating all of these flavors together with the flour. And we're ready for our next step. So I'll mix some molasses into our wet mixture, a little bit of applesauce, and some melted coconut oil. And incorporating this nicely together. Now I'm ready to incorporate the two together. I'll make a little well in my dry ingredients in the middle and adding in the wet ingredients. Now that it's all mixed and I had to use my hands a little bit, I will now wrap this up and put it into the fridge for 1 hour. So you can use parchment paper or a glass bowl as long as it's covered up nicely. And into the fridge for 1 hour. And out of the fridge, ready to roll out. So I've got my rolling pin. I'm going to roll this out gently. And now using my cookie cutter, I will cut out my shapes. Into my 350-degree oven for 9 to about 11 minutes. So they're all ready. I chose to frost a few of them, and in the frost I actually added some organic vitamin C from the capsule, again from our sponsors from Vitatree. Absolutely delicious, and another way to hide in some extra antioxidants for the children, the little kids, and the big kids as well. I can't wait to try these. So, so good. With my almond milk, delicious.